ओके, बहुत बुरा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ अभी। मैंने पूरा क्विक शिफ्टर के बारे में वीडियो शूट कर लिया और ध्यान दिया कि मैंने माइक का वायर नहीं लगाया था। 20 मिनट की रिकॉर्डिंग के बाद मुझे पता चला कि आई फॉरगेट टू पुट द केबल ऑफ माइक। नाउ I have to shoot again. So let's begin. So one of you guys have been asking me about क्विक शिफ्टर के क्विक शिफ्टर कैसे काम करता है उसके बारे में बताओ। So let me tell you, this is my bike KTM Duke 250 Generation 3, recently purchased in December 2024. So the basically quick shifter means quick shift gear in terms of gear. Obviously in motorcycle quick shifter is used for gear. So quick shift, that means quick, you don't have to take a time, just quick and shift up and down. So quick shifter and quick shifter plus and quick shifter pro, there are many kinds of things, but in this bike there is quick shifter plus, so you can also up and down without touch the clutch. You don't need to press the clutch. So here I am in 2. Now if you have to go to 3 up, that means you have to keep accelerating up. Keep accelerating up and just shift. There is no jerk. If you don't keep accelerating, you will feel jerk like this. Like we have to go down, just accelerator keep down and just press. If you have to go up, just keep accelerator up, keep up and just press up. There is no jerk. Like if you have to keep accelerating, you have to go down, then there you feel jerk. You have to go to down, then just press down. You have to go to up, just keep accelerating. Keep in mind you have to accelerate, and then otherwise you feel jerk. If you don't keep accelerating, you feel jerk. So these things keep in mind. I recommend it generally using after like 3, 4 and 5 में आप यूज करो तो ज़्यादा बेहतर है। अगर आप लोअर आरपीएम में यूज करोगे तो जर्क आपको थोड़ी बहुत फील होगी, बट अगर आप एक्सेलरेटिंग करते रहोगे तो नहीं फील होगी। एंड इन हिली एरिया इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर देन दिस इज ब्लेसिंग मैन। लाइक यू हैव टू गो टू डाउन। एक्सीडेंट कैसे होते हैं जनरली? हम 5000 आरपीएम 6000 आरपीएम पे 5th गियर में 6th गियर में 100 की स्पीड पे चल रहे हो, और जैसे ही अचानक गाड़ी आती है हम क्या करते हैं? क्लच प्रेस करते हैं, और जैसे ही हम क्लच को प्रेस करते हैं हमारी गाड़ी फ्री हो जाती है और स्पीड हो जाती है। गियर डाउन करने के लिए हम क्लच प्रेस करते हैं। बट इफ़ यू हैव अ क्विक शिफ्टर एंड यू आर इन हायर गियर, you don't need to press the clutch, just put down the gear and engine braking will work like this. Also keep pressing the brake rear, or in hilly area like you have to go in down and you are in high gear. If you press the clutch, your bike will go fast and you may cause accident. But if you have a quick shifter, then you have to go down. You are in a 4th gear, now you have to shift to, just press 2 times, you are in low gear. Like 1 से 2 में मुझे जानना हो कितना भी, तो थोड़ा बहुत मुझे जर्क फील होगा ही, इसलिए डोंट रिकमेंडेड इन लो गियर, ऑलवेज इन हाई गियर। Like there is a lower, I have to put down the gear, then just press the gear, there it down. Go as much as you can down. डाउन में तो हमेशा ही क्विक शिफ्टर विदाउट क्लच अप डाउन करो, सेफ्टी भी रहेगी और आदत भी बन जाएगी, इससे एक्सीडेंट के चांसेस भी कम हो जाएंगे. There is no use of clutch. For up and down, you can easily move your bike without touching the clutch. And this is the technology, man. This is the technology quick shifter gives you. So I hope you understand all about quick shifter. Like 3, have to go to 4, there is no jerk. Go 5, no jerk. Just put down. Like I am in 4, I have to go to 5, just up, no jerk. No jerk. I have to go down, just down, down and down. Yes. So keep in mind, always drive with safety, and while putting down, always use quick shifter technology. Don't use clutch while putting down the gear. If you have to stay away from the accident. So let's end here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section in which topic next you want to know. I will make a video about that. Thanks again.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Okay, thank you.